Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are looking at a poem, and it is called The Rat in the Hat. Yes, we have looked at this poem before. We are going to review some of the word families that we've looked at, but then we're going to expand on it. So, yes, we've done this, but we're going to review it, okay? So what a word family is typically words in that word family will rhyme. And a rhyming word are words that the ending sounds the same. And let me grab my whiteboard. The ending sounds the same. And for the, I just put lotion on so I can't open the marker. There we go. And for word families, it's going to have letters, and then the ending is going to be the same. So this could be an R, and this word could be rat, and notice that it still has AT. The R we could change to an H, and notice that it still has AT, at, hat. We could also change the H to a B. At bats. We could change the B to a C. At cats. Okay, so this word family is able to be sounded out. I know that AT says at. So any letter that I put in front of, I'm going to make that letter sound, and then at, b, at, okay? What we are going to do today is look at this poem. We're going to read it, and then we're going to highlight. So you're going to need, most highlighters are usually yellow. I chose to use my pink one today, but you're going to need a marker that is a lighter color, because we're going to go over the words, and you're still going to want to be able to see them, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to read with our pointer finger first, and then we're going to read a second time, and the second time we're going to highlight the at words. So put your superstar reader finger underneath the first word, and you follow along with me, okay? The rat in the hat. There was a rat. The rat had a hat. The rat in the hat sat on the mat. That rat in the hat sat on the mat with a cat. So notice that there's words in here that the ending sounds the same, so that makes them rhyme. Rat, hat, mat, cat. All rhyme. This time I'm going to read through it, but I'm going to highlight my words, okay? The rat. See how it says AT? So I'm going to highlight it. I'm not going to do this whole word because it's a tall font. That's okay. The rat in the hat. Oh, I see AT right there. I'm going to highlight it. There was a rat. I see AT. Rats. The rat, here's one, had a hat. The rats in the hat sat on the mat. There's so many AT words. That, there's an AT word there. That rat in the hat sat on the mat with a cat. Wow! There's so many AT words in this poem. Okay, so I want you to look that you got all of the AT words highlighted, and then this time I want you to take your reader finger and your poem and find someone or something in your house to read your poem to. Remember, we're practicing putting our finger underneath each word that we read, and we're practicing tracking the words. That's called tracking. When we say the rat is in, or the rat in the hat. And that also helps us say, oh wait, I messed up. Like I was reading the rat is in the hat. Well, I said hat, but I'm not pointing to a word over here. That means that I made a mistake somewhere. So I have to go back. The rat in the hat. It helps us remember where we are, and also it helps us remember what word we are supposed to be reading.